All right, Ashik, thanks for that. Moving on to some news coming in from the national capital. Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta is expected to hold a press conference today, likely around 12:30 p.m. This comes as the BJP government in Delhi completes 100 days. The Chief Minister is also likely to release the Delhi government's report card of 100 days on 31st May at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. We have with us my colleague Arzu Seth joining us on the telecast. Arzu, what exactly are the details that are coming in terms of this press conference that is slated at around 12:30 p.m. Delhi Chief Minister is set to address that?
Well, definitely it is going to be a very important press conference where Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta is going to showcase the achievements and the work being done by the BJP government in Delhi in the 100 days. And this seems to be very crucial as far as the Delhi development is concerned. And also, there will be a huge event on 31st May when the report card will also be presented. And it is being said that the Delhi government will also present its roadmap for the future ahead of a large-scale event at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, and where Chief Minister Rekha Gupta will present the government report card of 100 days in office, and also it is being said that other dignitaries will also be invited, and this is scheduled at 11 a.m. and the event will also see the participation of Delhi's 7 MP, 48 MLAs, and also Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva and key party functionaries whose name are yet to be finalized. So there will be a huge event that will take place on 31st May. But before that, today marks the important day as the press conference will be held by Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta to present the achievements and also to tell about what work being done in the 100 days after coming to power in the national capital. And also we saw how the political war of words have begun after the 100 days, after the completion of the 100 days, as the Aam Aadmi Party is saying there was nothing that was done, no promises fulfilled, as the BJP promised about the giving benefits regarding the electricity, water, and also the several schemes that were promised after coming to power, but no such promise has been fulfilled, and all the 100 days were of lies. So on the other side, today marks the important day when press conference will be held, and also the achievements will be presented in front of the public. Yes.
All right, Arzu, thanks for that. Moving on to some other news coming in.